You ever driving and you hit your turn signal and it starts spazzing out like that? That means that your light is out, your turn signal / brake light. And this one, it's a 2007 Dodge Ram 1500. See, it'll start just spazzing out like that. That means we got to change our bulb. So let's get home and do that. Okay, so we were just driving around and we hit the left turn signal and it started flashing. That's because light is out. Your turn signal is also your brake light. You're gonna lower your hatch. I'm gonna go right in here. You got 2 screws you're gonna have to take off. It is a T25 security bit. Got my handy dandy ratchet screwdriver. Go in there and screw it. See that? Already coming loose. I'm just gonna slowly pull it. There's a couple little divots right over here. I'm just gonna pull it out. Don't pull it sideways, you'll snap it. As you can see, they were already loose. Somebody fixed it with some electrical tape. It's gonna be this top one right here. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna turn it down, so left, if we were looking at it from the other side. You feel it get loose. I'm gonna pull it out. We did not need to take that off. It was already just loose. We got a 3157 clear bulbs. Is what this takes. Get those out. Set that there. Just gonna slowly shimmy that. Don't squeeze too hard in case these are brittle. You don't want to have that shatter in your hand. Stick that in there. Clicks in. Got that upside down. And we got it off by turning it down, so we're going to turn it up this time. There we go. This one in. I'm going to set those back where they go. Right inside there. Your security bits, you're going to line them up with those spots. Get it in. These are the easiest taillights you guys will ever fix. Some cars you gotta take panels off, move carpeting. That's it. Done. You just change your bulb. Now you have a working turn signal and you don't have to get a ticket for it. I'll go in here, turn the turn signal back on. Constant. It's not spazzing. I'll go back outside. Works perfect. And that's how you change your brake lights and turn signals on the 2007 Dodge Ram 1500.